Here's how to change the country on Amazon. Now open up the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android or go to Amazon.com. Now we have two different places we need to change that country. The first one is to tap on the little profile button at the very bottom left. This gets you to your account or your account profile page. Now you'll be able to see one place that you can change your country at the very top right. It says English, it has the United States flag. I can just tap on that and then choose a new country or region. So let's say instead of the United States, I'm going to switch to the United Kingdom and hit done. I can also change the language, and by doing this, it will change the associated payment method. It'll associate, just hit accept here. It'll change the monetary, the currency for everything, all of that stuff. But keep in mind, you also want to change your address so it doesn't deliver it to the old country after you've changed it. Let's tap on the three lines at the bottom right, and then tap on your account. From here, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to the option that says, where is it? Your addresses. There it is. All you have to do is update your address. So you can either tap edit or hit add a new address. And on here, of course, at the very top, the United Kingdom is set, but you can change that country to whatever you want. And then just enter in that new address to have everything shipped to that new country.